Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. So the other one for the interior inspection is windshield wiper and washer. Now, the minors for this one is control or system malfunction, or wiper blade is damaged, missing, or fails to adequately clear driver's field of vision. This is minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the vehicle. Now, when use of a wiper or washer is required, wiper or washer fails to adequately clear driver's field of vision in area swept by driver's side wiper, is a major defect. When we have a major defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive the vehicle. How do we check for that? We're going to check the arms. The wiper on the driver's side, there are no cracks, no damages. It's secure. The blade is good. There are no cracks or damages on the blade. No cracks or damages on the passenger side. No cracks, no damages on the blade. We're going to check the washer. The washer is working. Speed 1. Speed 2. The wiper and washer, they are working and they provide clear view.